President Donald Trump is doing something that some people will use against him. Why do I say this? President Donald Trump is about to end birthright. So it means that once you deliver in US, that child will never have a birthright as a citizen of US. And now Trump moved the motion, but courts ruled it out. They say that they will never accept this and they will never support it. But Trump, according to him, he says a lot of things that makes him to scrap birthright citizen or the rights of anyone who is being born in the US. Watch this.
Birthright citizenship is simple. You're automatically a citizen of the country where you were born. Only 33 countries, including Canada, Mexico, and Pakistan, offer it.
Now we have something else.
But being born in the United States has a special allure, and President Donald Trump says immigrants are abusing the policy.
It wasn't meant for people trying to scam the system and come into the country on a vacation. This was, in fact, it was the same date, the exact same date, the end of the Civil War. It was meant for the babies of slaves, and it's so clean and so obvious.
Trump's attempt to restrict birthright citizenship is part of his anti-immigration agenda. In January 2025, Trump banned birthright citizenship for children born to parents who aren't citizens or permanent residents. Immigrant rights groups sued, and on April 1st, the Supreme Court heard the case. Trump's order runs counter to 160 years of legal decisions. The Constitution's 14th Amendment, passed by Congress in 1866, granted formerly enslaved black people birthright citizenship. Quote, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. Other laws and high court rulings, including the case of Chinese-American Wong Kim Ark, expanded the 14th Amendment's reach to all people.
In 1898, he won his case before the United States Supreme Court, affirming the 14th Amendment that guarantees citizenship to those born on U.S. soil.
But at a time when the Trump administration has been detaining or deporting people, even those who are permanent residents or citizens, and is also trying to strip citizenship from naturalized citizens for minor offenses, critics say removing birthright citizenship could fundamentally change the very definition of who is an American. Rosalind Jordan, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Do you support this motion from President Donald Trump? Though courts did not support it, and many Americans is against this motion from President Donald Trump. Like I said earlier, most people will use this against President Donald Trump because this has been in existence for years. I don't want to say much concerning this. Drop your thoughts concerning this video. Let's know what you think. And don't forget to follow me on this channel by subscribing. Hit the like button and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. I really appreciate your time for watching. Bye.